And now it's time for Spring Fever with the Twins with Neil Roberts from Fort Myers, Florida.
He was 5-1 for the Twins last year after being called up for the second time and was arguably their best starter down the stretch. Tyler Duffy joins us. And Tyler, what was the key to that second time around for you?
Those first outing jitters were out of the way. I went down, I pitched well, my one start when I went back to Rochester. Told myself I was capable, and when I went back, I just trusted what I had, and the results are history.
All right, hey, we'll talk 2016 and adjustments when we come back.
It's a new stay at the Grand Hotel in Minot, North Dakota, and new flavors at our restaurant Primo. With daily lunch specials, Monday through Thursday from 11 to 3. We have delicious Italian and American selection sure to please everyone. And of course, our amazing pasta bar on Thursday nights. Lasagna, spaghetti, Alfredo, and more. Our fresh sauté station will introduce your palate to new flavorful dishes. And don't forget our highly sought-after Premier City View. Primo at the Grand in Minot. Come taste what all the talk is about.
Hey, Pandora listeners, have you heard? It's Ram Truck Month at Minot Automotive Center. And we have a great lease offer on 2015 Ram 1500s, starting at $299 a month with $2,500 due at signing. And that means you need to get to Minot Automotive. Click the banner ad to check out all our Ram inventory. We have the largest selection in the region, so let's get you into a Ram. Yep, it's that easy. See dealer for details. Minot Automotive Center. Hop in.
We're Twins starting pitcher Tyler Duffy, and Tyler, staying on top, I'm sure, is key, and hitters making adjustments watching you, and you making adjustments to hitters. Tell us, for a guy who's early in his career at the major league level, what that's like.
That's all I've heard all coming up. It's adjusting to the league you're in, and then once you get to the major leagues, that first season, you get away with some things, and then the league adjusts to you, and then that second adjustment is the big one, and I think I'm going to have that experience, hopefully, and there'll be bumps with that, I think, but that's part of it, and the quicker you learn, the better off you are, so I'm trying to get that out of the way now.
About working with a pitching coach like Neil Allen and some of the vets up here, what are you picking up?
A lot. My big thing, I didn't throw any changeups really last year when I got called up. It was a pitch for me, but it was just one we didn't need to rely on. My curveball worked for me. Once I got here to camp, I was like, I need to throw it. I want to throw it. Need it to be a weapon. Thrown it a lot so far. Had some good results, and that's a lot of that's Neil. I've been talking to Irvin a lot. He throws the same grip. So just picking their brains daily and seeing what I can get. It's helped me a lot so far.
Awesome. Hey Tyler, thanks for your time and have a great 2016.
Thank you.
All right, Tyler Duffy with us. That concludes this edition. Hey, if you missed one, check us online at springfeverbaseball.com. Until next time, I'm Neil Roberts.
You've been listening to Spring Fever Baseball, brought to you in part by the Grand Hotel in Minot, North Dakota, by Minot Automotive Center, and by MidwestOilJobs.com.